Welcome to Maths Plus. Today we have a reasonably challenging problem. 3 multiplied by the square root of x all to the power of x cubed minus 18 is equal to 0. So maybe pause the video, give it a try and let me know how you get on. So before we start, if you're new to the channel, I would really appreciate if you could subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. So let's get started. When we examine the terms, we can see that we have a common factor of 3. So let's factor it out and we will get 3 by the square root of x all to the power of x cubed minus 6 is equal to 0. Now let's set this to 0. We can get the square root of x to the power of 3 all to be cubed. Bring over your 6 and change the sign and we will get plus 6. Our next step will be to square both sides. Put a 2 here and a 2 over here. Now we're going to apply the power rule. So we're going to multiply in here by 2. So we're going to get the square root of x by 2x cubed as the power. And that will be equal to 36. Now let's go even further. And we can go with the square root of x all to be squared is equal to x. And we can put an x cubed outside that when we separate the exponents. Now that the square root is cancelled, we can cube both sides. So we can go x to the power of x cubed all to be cubed is equal to, well, we're going to rewrite the 6 to the power of 2 in place of the 36 and cube up. Now let's apply the power rule again and we will get a combination of x to the power of 3x cubed all to be cubed is equal to 6 to the power of 3 multiplied by 2. Now let's examine what we have more closely. So we have x to be cubed to the power of x cubed here. So we can separate them out. And we can write x to the 3. And again, the power rule in reverse this time. We can separate out x cubed. And over here, we can align the 6 with a power of 6 as the result of 3 by 2. And of course, by comparing the two sets of terms, we can conclude that x cubed is equal to 6. So if x cubed is equal to 6, we can conclude also that x is the third root of 6, or we could write it in this format as well. And finally, the solution for x for this complicated exponential equation is x is equal to the third root of 6, or x is equal to 6 to the power of 1 over 3. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching Maths Plus.